Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the solution of generative AI Cologne Tour. So if you want to get this amazing solution for arcade, just subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Just click on the start live button. Now copy this URL, paste it in your normal window, press enter. In this lab we have to interact with the chat application. So for those who just want to complete this lab, you can forward this video. You will get the quiz answer in this video. So just answer this quiz and complete your lab and click on the check my progress. For those who want to complete this lab completely, so just we will be interact with this chat application. So go back to the lab instruction. Our first task is to open this chat application that we have performed it out. Now copy this second command and go to the chat application. Now click on the second option, Helga. Now paste the command here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the third command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fourth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fifth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now you have to do the task 4. For that, copy this command, go to the chat application, paste the command here, press enter. Go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this third command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fourth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fifth command, paste it here, press enter. So we have completed our task 5 in task 4. In task 5 we just want we will be taking the assessment quiz. For that, go back to the lab instruction chat application, go back by this arrow option, click on this quiz option. From here you have to answer 2 questions. What is the most famous landmark in the Cologne? So its correct answer is second, New St. Christine Castle. Oh my god. So you can select any one of these. So its correct answer is Cologne Castle. So you get a green tick. Navigate to the second option. Second question. For the second question, what is the name of the flow through the Cologne? So its correct answer is third option. Just clicked on Rehane and you has answered these 2 questions. Just complete this quiz by clicking on this option. So you get a pop out there. Congratulations, you have completed this quiz. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now just click on check my progress. You have successfully completed the quiz assessment. Now click on the end lab button and we have completed this lab. For getting such amazing solution for arcade, just subscribe to our channel, Like and share the video to your friend circle whosoever is participating in this arcade program. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my upcoming video.